Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2026 at 10:16, and we have our day 1 outlook to look at for today. So our day 1 outlook for today. Hello. I do believe we have, there we go, thank you. We have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, southwestern Nebraska, and eastern Colorado. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of southern Wyoming, going through central to eastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, central to northern Texas Panhandle, western to central Oklahoma, western to central Kansas, and southwestern Nebraska. We also have another slight risk over here that encompasses eastern North Carolina and eastern Virginia. So we do have those areas under a slight risk as well. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of southeastern New Mexico, central Texas, eastern Oklahoma, northwestern Louisiana, western Arkansas, western Missouri, eastern to northern Kansas, western Iowa, much of Nebraska, southern and eastern South Dakota, western to central Minnesota, and eastern North Dakota. Also having parts of western to southern Wyoming and central Colorado and back through northeastern New Mexico. We also have a marginal risk over here that encompasses parts of central North Carolina and central Virginia. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, southwestern Nebraska, eastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, extreme northeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas Panhandle. We also have another tornado risk up here that encompasses parts of eastern North Dakota, western and central Minnesota, and extreme northeastern South Dakota. We also have a 2% tornado risk encompassing parts of eastern North Carolina and eastern Virginia. So we do have those areas under a 2% risk for today. We have Denver, Virginia Beach, Aurora, Norfolk, and Chesapeake under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% areas today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 30% that encompasses eastern North Carolina and eastern Virginia. We have a 15% that encompasses eastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina as well, and a 5% that encompasses central North Carolina and central Virginia. We also have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northeastern to central Texas Panhandle, extreme northeastern New Mexico, western to central Oklahoma, eastern to central Colorado, western to central Kansas, parts of southeastern Wyoming. We have a 15% normal that encompasses southwestern Nebraska as well. We also have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of central to southern Wyoming and parts of southeastern New Mexico and western Texas. We also have a 5% normal that encompasses parts of central Wyoming, going through much of Nebraska, southern to eastern South Dakota, western Iowa, western to central Minnesota, eastern North Dakota, western Missouri, eastern and central Kansas, western Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, northwestern Louisiana, and central Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. So we have Denver, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, and Aurora under the significant severe. Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Chesapeake, Newport News, and Hampton under the 30%. Denver, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Colorado Springs, and Wichita under the 15%. And Dallas, Fort Worth, Kansas City, Omaha, and Arlington under the 5%. So for the 30% area today, we could see 60 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% hatch, we could see 60 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today as well. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible. 5% hatch, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible as well. 5% normal, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, southwestern Nebraska, and eastern to central Colorado. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of southern and eastern Wyoming, southwestern Nebraska, central to northeastern Colorado, western Kansas, northeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma, and northeastern Texas Panhandle. We also have a 5% hatch that encompasses central Texas. We also have a 5% normal that encompasses eastern New Mexico, central Texas, central Oklahoma, central to eastern Kansas, much of Nebraska, western Iowa, western Minnesota, western to central Minnesota, eastern North Dakota, and eastern South Dakota. So we do have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Denver, Colorado Springs, Aurora, Lubbock, and Amarillo under the significant severe. Denver, Aurora, Fort Collins, Thornton, and Westminster under the 30%. Colorado Springs, Amarillo, Lakewood, Pueblo, and Arvada, I guess is how you'd say that, under the 15%. And Oklahoma City, Omaha, Tulsa, Wichita, and Lincoln under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 1 to, 4-inch diameter hail possible today. 15% hatch, we could see 1 to 3.5-inch diameter hail possible today. 5% hatch, we could see 1 to 2.5-inch diameter hail possible today. 5% we could see 1 to 2-inch diameter hail possible today. That's the 5% normal. So going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms capable of producing 2+inch diameter hail, 75+ miles per hour gusts, and isolated tornadoes are expected from the central high plains into parts of the South Plains today into tonight. Scattered damaging winds should also occur with thunderstorms across southeast Virginia and eastern North Carolina. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. Here's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Excuse me. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.